Hi, we're SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at an 8.5x24 I-beam Deckover. At the front we do have our jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the breakaway cable. There is a chain basket at the front of your trailer, as well as your breakaway box and tire mount. This trailer does have tie down points and stake pockets along the side. There is pressure treated wood flooring. There's a strong I-beam frame. This trailer does have two 5,200-pound axles. This is a dovetail Deckover that puts less tension on your trailer. This trailer does have 5-foot stand-up ramps that secure with an arm lock and a pin. This trailer has LED brake lights, as well as a sturdy design. Once again, this is an 8.5x24 I-beam Deckover. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.